and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. I am Kristen, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of this Duvolle Radiance Spin Care System. So if you guys want to hear my thoughts on this, then keep watching. Before I get started with today's video, I just want to let you guys know that Duvolle did reach out to me and asked me if I would like to try out their Radiance Spin Care System for free in exchange for a review. And of course I said yes, because this just sounded like something I would really love, and I think you guys would really like it. So let's get on to the review. So this is how the box comes. Everything is inside. You get the brush handle and the 4 attachments. Then on this side right here, it just says 4 deep cleansing brushes. So you get your cleansing, exfoliating, and pumice attachment. Then on the back here, it just says Radiance Spin Care System, 4 interchangeable accessories, facial exfoliation brush, large body cleansing brush, facial cleansing brush, pumice stone, and that it's great for every day. And then down here, it just says Duvolle, look your best every day, and then their website, which will be linked down below. And then on this side here, it just says, hello beautiful, reveal the hidden glow of your skin with the Radiance Spin Care System. Deeply cleanse your skin with the Radiance Spin Care System's rotating movement to achieve cleaner and more vibrant skin over your whole body. 4 brushes, includes 4 deep cleansing brush heads designed to reveal your skin's inner radiance, and again, their website. So inside here, everything is in this little plastic insert, and then you have your directions. The directions just pretty much tell you how to use all of the brushes, and that you have to use your batteries. You need 4 AA batteries. This is not a rechargeable system, which we'll talk about in a second. So these are the 4 brushes. So obviously this is the pumice stone, then you have the body cleanser, the large body cleansing brush, sorry, and then down here, right here, you have the facial exfoliation brush, and then the facial cleansing brush. So this is what the actual handle of the brush looks like. It's kind of heavy because of the 4 batteries, but it's nothing too crazy. It's probably 1 pound total, so it's pretty comfortable to hold. I really like right here where it's blue. It is a grip. You have your on and off switch right here, and it's really nice and easy to use, which I really like. The first attachment I'm going to talk about is the facial exfoliating brush. So this, it kind of looks like the cleansing brush, but this one is a little more dense. So that's how I figured out it was the exfoliating brush. And plus, when I used it, it is a more it's not grittier, but you can really feel it exfoliating, if that makes sense. So this I've been using every single night after I work out and after I take my makeup off, because this really helps clean your face and get all the makeup and the sweat out from the day, which I really love. And it's gentle enough to use every single day. If you guys have been following me for a while, you may know that I don't exfoliate every single day with an actual exfoliator. I exfoliate every other day, and that if I use an actual exfoliator every single day, my skin gets really irritated and it doesn't like me. This, I'm able to use it every single night on my skin. I don't use it twice a day, just once a day, because I feel like that's more than enough. And like I said, this really helps just get the dirt and sweat and makeup off at the end of the day, which is amazing. Next up, we have the facial cleansing brush, and don't mind mine because it is wet from when I used it this morning. So the facial cleansing brush isn't as dense, but this one I love to use every single morning just to really cleanse my face off and just wake up my skin. And I just love how my skin feels after I use this every single morning. It feels so nice. Ever since I started using the cleansing brush and exfoliating brush, my skin has felt so much better, and it's actually started to look a little better. I know I have a huge pimple by my lip right now. I don't really know where that came from, but I've been using this for about 3 weeks now, almost a month, and my skin has just been looking and feeling so much better with these 2 brush heads, and I'm honestly seeing a difference, and it was instant differences, which is amazing. Next up, we have the large body cleansing brush. This I use in the shower just to like really get my soap into my skin, and it feels so relaxing. You may or may not know, but I did go away at the end of April and I got a lot of sunburn from when I went away, and this just helped like rub in the soap in my skin, because when I used the loofah it hurt so bad, the sunburn. This just felt so nice and relaxing on the skin. It was just so gentle, which I really liked as well. And it's just, like I said, it's just so relaxing when you use it in the shower, just like on your back, because like when you use these two together, like you can really get your back and it just feels so good. This one is probably one of my favorites as well. And then last but not least, we have the pumice stone. So this you can use on your feet or on your elbows. I use it on my feet because I don't really have like dry elbows, especially right now because it's May. So I use this on my feet, and it was so hard to use it on my feet because I am very ticklish. But it did really help my heels and like my big toes. That's just where like my skin is the roughest, on like peely on my feet. I know it's really gross, but this really helped. It made my skin on my feet feel really soft and smooth, and it was like instant too, which is awesome, because I feel like with a lot of like foot like scrubbing products that you can get at like Walmart or CVS, they're not as instant. Like this little pumice stone was instant. I have been loving the Radiance skincare system from Duvolle, and I'm not just saying that because they sent it to me. You guys know I am brutally honest when it comes to products. I love this product. I used to have a spin brush like this before and I hated it. This one I absolutely love. It was so nice. It's just so luxurious feeling. So the pros of this product to me are that it works really well, and I saw a difference in my skin almost instantly. It's all the brushes are so gentle on your skin, even the exfoliating one, because like when you think of exfoliating, you think of something like rough and just like gritty, and the exfoliating is so gentle. I'm able to use it on my face every day. I was able to use it with sunburn on my face. I'm honestly excited to use this again, like later on in the winter, like when it's winter again and colder, to see how it really works on dry skin. I have just been loving this brush. It has made such a difference in my skin and my skincare routine. It's amazing. The one con for me is that it is battery operated. That's just not my favorite thing in the world, but it's okay. It's not like the biggest deal. But for the price, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, I would expect it to be rechargeable. The price is $95, but I do have a discount code for 70% off, and if you use the code CHARMING, you can get this for $28.50, which I think is an amazing price. So you guys should go check it out. It'll be linked down below, and down below I'll also have some of their other products. They have some like curling irons and straighteners if you guys are interested in any of those. So use the code CHARMING if you want 70% off. So honestly, use my code, because for $28.50 you're getting 4 brushes. That's a great price, and that's like cheaper than like a Clarisonic brush, because that is like over $100 for just one. So if you really think about that, check out the Duvolle Radiance skincare system, because I think you'll like it. And that is it for my review on this Duvolle Radiance skincare system. Thank you so much, Duvolle, for reaching out and sending me this product. I absolutely love it, and I think you guys would too. So like I said, click the link down below, and don't forget to use code CHARMING for 70% off. I don't get anything if you use the code, but yeah, I think you guys will really like it. If you guys have any other questions about this product as well, let me know in the comments down below, and I will answer it as best as I can for you. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below, or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!